Read between the lines like a Lucifer. Devil in disguise, we know how this works.
Girl, take a seat in your backseat. I'll set you free from yourself.
Come get enough.
Happiness in my stare. Ain't gonna take a
Şimdi biteceğiz.
Devil